believe is got the best of the natural resources, best of the manpower. 10% of IT professionals in USA, they are from our state. Entrepreneurs, let us talk about airport, road or power. Anywhere in India, they are from our state. IT sector, the state has got its name all over the world. Seed industry, again, the state has got its name. Pharmaceutical industry, again, the state has got its name. Sir, our people are the best. Our resources are the best. The state deserves to be number one economically developed state in the country. So all of us, we work for that. And sir, 55% of the contribution of GDP, sir, now it comes from the service sector, and trade is a part of the service sector. That's what our friends, they are contributing to GDP and to the economy of the state and economy of the country. They help to improve the quality of the people in the state through their services and through their products. So they provide employment to millions of people, and they also contribute biggest revenue to the state and to the nation. Just to